Need to chat with US Mobile customer support? Here's the fastest way to start a live chat. First, open your web browser and go to the official US Mobile website. Tap the menu icon if you're on a phone, then tap Sign In and log in to your US Mobile account. If you don't have an account yet, you can continue with your Apple or Gmail account also. Once you're on the website, look for the chat bubble in the bottom left side panel. Tap the chat icon to open the support window. Choose one of the option, either potential customer or go with existing customer. Choose the topic that matches your issue, such as activation, billing, transferring your number, eSIM setup, or technical support. On this screen, you can see various options like Get Starlink. I want to activate a new line. Choosing a plan. I can't log into my account. Service issue, payment issue, account number and transfer PIN. It's something else. If the virtual assistant can't solve your problem, type Live Agent or select the option to chat with a customer support representative when it's available. Describe your issue clearly and include details like your phone model, your line number, and any error messages to get faster assistance. Once your issue is resolved, close the chat window. You can also save the conversation for future reference if needed. That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.